There's no warning, it just hits you.
Everything moves, whether you're ready or not.
Even space feels taken.
5,000 years, still moving, all at once.
The heat doesn't wait for you.
Everyone here moves with purpose.
Nothing stays still long enough to notice.
You don't cross, you commit.
There are no lanes, only instincts.
You don't wait for a ride, you catch it.
Hesitation doesn't exist here.
Every second feels like a decision.
You don't walk alone here, even if you are.
Every face has a story, you just pass through it. A flower vendor. You don't choose the direction, the crowd does.
Here, movement decides everything.
Everything here fights for your attention.
Nothing has a fixed price, not even time.
The deeper you go, the tighter it gets.
Even the air tastes alive.
Even eating doesn't slow anything down.
Speed is the only recipe here.
Meals happen, then life pulls you back. There's always another layer waiting.
It's always there, even when you forget to look.
You move toward history, but never fully reach it.
Different centuries, sharing the same road.
Here, the past doesn't feel finished.
For a moment, the city loosens its grip.
The noise doesn't disappear, it just drifts.
Peace exists, but never far from pressure.
And just like that, it finds you again.
The calm doesn't follow you in. Even the air feels heavier here.
There's no transition, just impact. You either flow or you freeze.
The city keeps folding inward.
This is where the noise becomes personal.
Even above it, you don't escape it.
Up here, it finally breathes.
The city doesn't slow. It just changes color.
Night makes everything feel closer.
Darkness doesn't stop anything.
Even the silence here has weight.
Even the noise makes room for something deeper.
Different paths, same rhythm.
Life here speaks in moments, not plans.
Even routine feels intentional here.
Every inch of space becomes opportunity.
How much for this one?
100, but for you, 80.
Nothing here waits, not even a deal.
Work doesn't pause for safety.
This is where the city is held together.
Kaneshi, Seko, Accra, move fast, enter with your change. Movement here doesn't wait for permission.
You're never really off the road.
Small space, fast decisions.
You either move now, or you don't move at all.
A different rhythm starts to appear.
Their world stretches beyond these streets.
Dreams here move, but not always forward.
Not all of Cairo shows the same face.
This is the version most people remember. And this is the part they don't.
Two worlds, separated by a single turn.
Only one of them keeps moving.
It never really lets you go, it just loosens its grip.
You don't leave with answers, only wait.
This is not just a city. It is a living story that never stops evolving.